Hello. I'm on our walk right before dinner, and I just wanted to say hello. I didn't really get to charting. I didn't get to doing my painting yet. Oh jeez, it's very wet out from the rain. I hope I didn't pick that up too much. I tried to pull it out, but after I eat, I'm just in the mood to paint, so I'm gonna try practicing a nice house with maybe a Christmas wreath on top or something basic. I feel if I challenge myself a little bit different every day, I may one day be able to do the cover art for my book. Because I'm trying. And that's all you could do is try. Okay, he's not doing business. But we got the lake, the little mini tiny lake. That could be the lake that all the little fairies go to, if there were fairies. It's up to the mystics. Some people say they are fairies, some people say there's not. I guess it's the old adage, tomato or tomato. Whatever you want to believe. And this is the biggest procrastinator of them all, Chong the dog. He sniffs, he looks around, he wants to know what's going on. He is one amazing dog. Okay, now he goes this way. I kind of let him just do his thing. He lets me know where he wants to go pee at. And he has his little designated spots around the property, so. And off the property. Chong is very particular where he does his business. But he is my baby. Oops. I will go by the baby pond again. And there's the highway. There's a lot of activity on that highway. I'll just let this go through. It's kind of nice, a little scenic thing.